What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Cam Rams, and I'm back with another video, guys. In today's video, we have another music video reaction, guys. Lil Yachty and Cole Bennett linked up again, and Cole Bennett shot this music video on an iPhone. This man has done it all, bro. At this point, I really think it's time for him just to go into the movies, bro. He needs to go ahead and direct his own movie. Obviously, the new iPhones and everything like that have like amazing camera quality. We're gonna get right into it, guys. Lil Yachty, Yeah Energy, shot on iPhone by Cole Bennett. Let's get right into it, man.
Can I get a water cup?
Nah, look, I'm telling y'all right now, comment down below if you've ever asked for a water cup and finessed them, bro, and got all the sodas, bro. Comment down below right now if you've done that before. Maybe I might have done that, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Look.
Okay.
Psyching out. Bro pulling pistols on anyone.
Oh my gosh.
With a big ass cake, grip it under my arm like a minigun.
Yo, Lil Yachty gotta calm my boy down, man.
Nigga think he can take any of my hoes and sit back watch him receive a Cinnabon. Run out of the house and we find some hoes on my mom with a ratio 10 to 1.
Fire.
All of my exes look at me like God, I turn up facade. Buy a car, but it's still on my name. If that bitch try to leave, take it back like Rashad. 600,000 I stuffed in a pot. 10 different bitches, we made them hoes mosh. Makes my jealous soul when I watch. Give me that mouth for your body is botched. 2 different girls I have bought for the.
Nah, that's actually really fire. You know what that just reminded me of? Cole Bennett did the same thing. He does a lot of that when some of the artists will just like walk into the green screen and then it'll like go into something else. He did that with Juice WRLD in the Armed and Dangerous music video. Yo, Breeze, roll a piece of that clip.
You did 999 shit when I'm in town. Party's going down.
That is so sick. I love when artists walk into that green screen, bro, and then it just goes into something else, bro. Yo, Cole Bennett is, bro, so creative, man. That's so sick.
Fuck it, making so much squat. I don't know what to do with this shit, but I promise I'm loving it. Bitches a bird of my mama, I'm dubbing it. Double dishing on the rims, I'm thugging it. Robber X trying to X on mouth. Niggas want smoke, trying to see what I'm about. I want that bitch trying to live in her mouth. Niggas not rich. On my mama, niggas cold, bitch. Niggas a fold quick.
Oh, they in Chicago with it, man.
Snitch. Up that fire on his ass, but he changed, bitch. Left my.
Oh, bro, that's dude that plays for the White Sox, bro. Bro, I'm not even a big baseball fan. Don't even like flame me on this, bro. I know he plays for the White Sox, bro. I'm telling you that dude does. I don't know if that's Tim is that Tim Anderson? Let me look it up real quick. Baseball shortstop. It's Timothy Anderson, man. It's Tim. I knew I recognized his face, bro. That's sick.
Hot head brother home, he too dangerous. Oh shit, Rocky Road. He not tough, he told. 150 my shows. Pull up with 3
Lyrical Lemonade Studio.
Kamikaze, middle of the party. My nose for extra snotty. My deposit, Mona Lisa profit. Can't fit in no one's wallet. Who is watching? Fuck on a balcony where MLK died. My wrist tied up. Watch worth a life. Traded for a soul. Red beam on top of the pole. I can see on North Cole.
You know what kind of energy and vibe that I got from that? I got Lil Yachty's song Cortex. You know what I'm saying? Like it doesn't even pass 2 minutes in a song. You know, like 2 minutes like of the song. Like it's not too long. Just kind of giving you a little something real quick. Just, you know, I'm still here. You know what I'm saying? That's how I feel like Lil Yachty's just like, you know, I'm still here. Like I'm still in this. I will say, man, Lil Yachty, bro, people need to really put respect on this man's name, bro. He's been in the game for so long, and I feel like he just keeps getting better, bro. He just keeps getting better. It's crazy. That was funny, bro. Look, it's funny what Lil Yachty was part of the Taliban gang. We gotta go back on that. Like, what,
I can see on North.
like Yachty, like what is that, bro? You know what I'm saying? What is that? But hey, nah, man, it's Yachty, so he makes it fire. You feel what I'm saying? It's Yachty, and plus, bro, this man wears like chromes in his braids, bro. Like that's crazy, bro. Like literally, that's like diamonds, bro. Diamond encrusted, bro. That's wild, bro. But no, I did like the song, you know what I'm saying? I thought it was, you know what I'm saying, a cool little hype song. Video obviously by Cole Bennett. So, you know, any video by Cole Bennett is never going to disappoint. So definitely something I'll be playing in my rotation, you know what I'm saying? Just a little song to, you know, ride around in and just kind of get turned to. So for sure. If you guys made it to the end of the video, you guys are a real one. You're a real one if you made it to the end. Comment down below if you like this song for me, please. Comment if you thought it was fire or if you thought it was trash. Please let me know. And comment down below, you know what I'm saying, what songs you guys want me to react to next or any music video or anything like that. You know what I'm saying? Talk to me. I'm going to respond to every single comment. So, but I appreciate you guys. You guys take care of yourself. Take care of each other. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Cam fam, it's been your boy Cam Rams. I'm out of here.